When sharing on Instagram, many wonder if hashtags should be used. While they help categorize content and improve discoverability, it's important to know how to use them effectively. This guide shows you how to apply hashtags clearly and practically. Part 1. What is hashtags on Instagram? Hashtags on Instagram help organize and categorize posts, making them discoverable. You can choose relevant hashtags to increase visibility. However, limit your post to 30 hashtags for maximum effectiveness. Part 2. Why you need to use hashtags. Hashtags organize posts, making them easier to manage. For brands or those aiming to grow, they boost visibility, attract followers, and increase engagement. The benefits far outweigh the drawbacks. Part 3. Guide to Add Instagram hashtags. Open Instagram and upload or take a photo/video. Add hashtags. Tap the 3 dots on an existing post or take a new one. Add relevant hashtags. Tap OK, then share. Part 4. How to organize your Instagram hashtags. Step 1. Create a new spreadsheet and add the following headers: hashtags, category, posts, date, and comments. Step 2. Next, just enter your hashtags and their relevant information. Or you can use later's saved captions feature to organize the tags. The detailed steps are: Step 1. Create templates to save your most commonly used hashtags. Step 2. Select one of your saved captions to add it to your post. You have a better understanding of Instagram hashtags now?